What toxic family tradition did you break that cost you everything? In our family, girls were taught one thing: marry rich, have babies, and keep your mouth shut. For generations, every woman got married before 21, and every woman was miserable. My grandma used to say, 2 minutes of pleasure, 20 years of pain, about her own marriage. At family dinners, I watched my mom, aunts, and female cousins nod silently. Husbands' affairs and tempers. The men would laugh in the living room, drinking beer and bragging about keeping their wives in line. When I turned 18, my parents introduced me to Noah. He was 35, owned 3 car dealerships, and had already been divorced twice. Over dinner, I got staring at my chest. My dad beamed with pride when Noah offered to take me off his hands. That night, my mom came to my room with a jewelry box.